Hello friends, I am Imran and you are watching Technology Tips. Today we have X9 Wi-Fi camera and we will unbox it. After that we will connect it to the mobile. So let's start. So this is X9 Wi-Fi camera and we are going to unbox it. In the box we get a camera, a mini stand and an Android cable. After this, we will open Android App Store in our mobile and search Pix Link Cam. I already have this app. Now we will open the app. After opening app, we will open mobile's Wi-Fi settings. Now you can see the hotspot of camera. Connect the mobile to camera's hotspot. Go back in PixLink Cam app. Here you can see connected camera. Touch and play the camera. You can see camera is connected to the mobile without internet. In downside, you can see option of network configuration. Touch and open this option. Here you can see Wi-Fi networks near you. Select your Wi-Fi network and type your password. After this, camera will reboot. Wait for the camera to restart. Camera is restarting now. Now connect your mobile to internet. The hotspot of camera has disappeared. Again open the app. Now you can see camera is connected with internet and working. This camera can record video and audio in the memory card and you can see playback in mobile. You can see playback in mobile without removing a memory card. The camera does not have built-in speaker, so you only can listen the voice. You can't speak in the camera. This camera can record video HD and VHD. In the setting, you can change Wi-Fi network. It is a great mini camera, but it does not have many features. But it is good in cheap price. If you are looking for a mini camera, you will enjoy this.